Hello friends, I'll tell you easiest way how we can upload video to YouTube. First of all, you have to have YouTube account to upload video, and you have to have some video in your device. So open your YouTube app and then go here right top corner and click on create and click upload video. Then the different page open, then select files and find the video you want to upload from your device and click that video, and you can open. You can also drag video directly to this here, and then title to your video. Type some title in according to your video, what content you have, and you already thought title about your video. You can type it here. You can type here up to 100 characters. So here, then you give description to your video. You can type your title, copy and paste here, and type your YouTube channel name, and you can describe a little bit what is your video about. And in the description also you can put 5000 character. You can here also put your links and all this stuff. And then here you can upload your thumbnail. If you have one, you can put. And then here also this one, audience, which kind of audience will see your video. So I click here, no, it is not made for kids. So here also I am click allow automatic chapters and key elements, allow automatic places. Here also you can type some tags in this section. Here also you can type tags up to 500 characters, and here also little bit at the left bottom corner of this tag box, whenever you type characters, they will give you the number you typed already, 9 or whatever number you typed, it is giving you. So you can adjust your titles according to that. So it is better to give some tags to your video. And then also here in this section, here you can, okay, here you can allow all comments, or you can, I click here, hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. You can allow all, it's up to you. So this is also show how many views like this video, and after that you can go to next. So I'm clicking next, and then here also if you want you can put add titles by clicking here, or add an end screen, add cards. So I'm not putting anything like that. So I'm putting next. So next, in this section, they will show you if you have any copyright issue or something. So no issues found mine. So I'm clicking next. After that, it will come visibility. So I'm clicking public so that everyone can watch my video and publish. So it is publishing now. So it is almost done. It is published. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Like and subscribe my channel.